What if I told you there are hidden gems in the stock market right now, just waiting to explode? Stocks so undervalued they could make you serious money in the next few years. That's what we're diving into today. We're talking about two companies with incredible potential that Wall Street might be sleeping on. One is a leader in the booming world of 3D content creation, powering everything from the games you love to the future of the Metaverse. The other is a pioneer in consumer health, disrupting the industry with its innovative products and loyal customer base. If you only watch one video today, make sure you watch this one all the way till the end. Hit that like button, let's get 1,000 likes on this one. Share the video, and leave your thoughts in the comments. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on the next important financial investing update. Alright, let's talk about Unity Software, ticker symbol U. This company is a giant in the tech world, but it often flies under the radar for many people. Today we're going to dive deep into why Unity Software is not just another tech company but a potential game changer in multiple industries. You might not recognize the name immediately, and that's okay. Unity isn't exactly a household name like Apple or Google, but trust me, you've seen their work. If you've played any popular video games in the last decade, chances are you've interacted with Unity's technology. They're the powerhouse behind some of the biggest games out there, providing the tools and platform that developers need to bring their visions to life. We're talking about games like Pokemon Go, Call of Duty Mobile, and Among Us. These are not just games, they're cultural phenomena that have captivated millions of players worldwide. In fact, over 70% of the top mobile games are built using Unity's platform. That's a staggering market share that speaks volumes about the company's influence in the gaming industry. But here's the kicker. Unity isn't just about games. Their technology extends far beyond the realm of gaming. They're the leading platform for real-time 3D content creation, period. This means that their tools are being used to create interactive, immersive experiences in a variety of fields. Think about it. The Metaverse, architecture, engineering, even Hollywood is using their tech. The possibilities are endless when it comes to what can be created with Unity's platform. Remember that awesome scene in The Mandalorian with the digital backgrounds? Yeah, that's Unity. Their technology is revolutionizing the way visual effects are done in the film industry. Now you might be thinking, this all sounds amazing, but is it undervalued? Is there really an investment opportunity here? The answer is a resounding yes. Unity's stock price has taken a hit recently, and that's where the opportunity lies. Unity's stock price has taken a hit recently, and that's where the opportunity lies. The market has been volatile, and Unity hasn't been immune to the fluctuations. See, the market is short-sighted. Investors often react to short-term news and miss the long-term potential of a company. They see a dip in gaming revenue and panic, but this is a classic case of not seeing the forest for the trees. But they're missing the bigger picture. Unity is not just a gaming company, it's a technology company with its fingers in many pies. The Metaverse is still in its infancy, and Unity is perfectly positioned to be a major player. Imagine a digital universe where people can interact, work, and play in ways we can't even fully comprehend yet. We're talking about a potential multi-trillion-dollar market here, people. The Metaverse could redefine how we live our lives, and Unity is at the forefront of this revolution. And it's not just the Metaverse. Unity's software is becoming the industry standard across multiple sectors. From gaming to architecture, engineering to film, their technology is being adopted at an unprecedented rate. Architects are using it to create immersive walkthroughs, allowing clients to experience buildings before they're even built. Engineers are using it to design complex simulations, making it easier to visualize and solve problems before they arise. And filmmakers are using it to push the boundaries of visual storytelling. The ability to create stunning visual effects in real time is a game changer for the industry. The applications are practically limitless. Unity's technology is opening doors to new possibilities that we can only begin to imagine. With a market cap of $8.91 billion and 2024 revenue totaling $1.81 billion, the company still faces financial headwinds, including a net income loss of $664.11 million. However, despite these challenges, Unity has managed to reclaim its 50-day moving average, a key technical support level that often signals the beginning of a short-term bullish trend. Under new leadership, Unity is streamlining operations and doubling down on effective strategies, with some analysts now projecting a price target of $45 by the summer of 2026. One of the major catalysts behind this shift is Unity's migration to an AI-driven advertising platform, Unity Vector. This move is expected to unlock new monetization opportunities, especially in the rapidly evolving mobile marketing space, and could significantly improve Unity's competitive position. Investor sentiment is also beginning to warm. On May 2nd, Unity closed at $21.34 with modest gains, standing out with resilience even in a broader market downturn. That positive movement was further supported by an upgrade from analysts to a strong buy rating, signaling growing confidence in the company's earnings potential. Overall, Unity Software is emerging from a turbulent period with renewed investor interest, improved technical indicators, and a strategic focus on AI and operational efficiency. While risks remain, the foundation for a potential recovery is being laid, and momentum is beginning to build. Now, I'm not saying Unity is a guaranteed home run. No investment is. There are always risks involved, and it's important to do your own research. But when I see a company with this much potential, this kind of market dominance, and a stock price that doesn't reflect its true value, my inner investor gets excited. This is a company that could be worth significantly more in the next few years, and that's why I think it deserves a serious look. The potential for growth is enormous, and the current stock price offers a unique entry point. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor, this isn't financial advice, and you should always do your own research before investing. But in my opinion, Unity Software is a compelling opportunity that you don't want to miss. The future is bright for this company, and I believe it has the potential to deliver significant returns for those who are willing to take the plunge. Alright, let's move on to our second stock, Kenvue, ticker symbol KVUE. This company might not be on everyone's radar just yet, but it certainly deserves a closer look. Kenvue is a relatively new player in the stock market, having recently spun off from its parent company, Johnson & Johnson. Despite its new status as an independent entity, Kenvue carries with it a legacy of trusted brands and a strong foundation in the consumer health sector. Now this one is a little different. Unlike tech giants or companies pushing the boundaries of digital innovation, Kenvue's focus is more grounded, yet equally impactful. They are not about building the Metaverse or powering the next generation of video games. Instead, they are dedicated to something more fundamental and essential to our daily lives. They're not building the Metaverse or powering the next generation of video games. Their mission is centered around enhancing everyday well-being and health. This might not sound as flashy as virtual reality or gaming, but it's an area with immense and consistent demand. They're in the business of making you feel good. This means providing products that improve your health, comfort, and overall quality of life. From the moment you wake up and brush your teeth to the time you go to bed, Kenvue's products are there, playing a crucial role in your daily routine. That's right, Kenvue is a consumer health giant. They have a broad portfolio of products that cater to various health and wellness needs. This isn't just about selling items, it's about building a brand that people trust and rely on for their well-being. You probably know them for their iconic brands like Tylenol, Band-Aid, Neutrogena, Listerine, and Aveeno. These are names that have become synonymous with quality and reliability. When you think of pain relief, wound care, skin care, oral hygiene, or moisturizing, these brands are often the first that come to mind. These are household names, products that people use every single day. The trust and loyalty that these brands have built over the years are invaluable assets for Kenvue. This kind of brand recognition doesn't happen overnight. It's the result of decades of consistent quality and consumer satisfaction. And that's the beauty of Kenvue's business model. They provide essential products that people rely on, no matter what the economy is doing. Whether times are good or bad, people still need healthcare products. This makes Kenvue's business relatively recession-proof, providing a steady stream of revenue even during economic downturns. But here's where it gets interesting. Kenvue isn't just sitting back and relying on its established brands. They understand that the market is always evolving and they need to innovate to stay ahead. This forward-thinking approach is what sets them apart from many other companies in the consumer health sector. Kenvue isn't just resting on its laurels with these legacy brands. They are actively investing in research and development to bring new and improved products to market. This commitment to innovation ensures that they remain relevant and competitive in a rapidly changing industry. They're innovating and expanding into new areas of consumer health, like personalized skincare, self-care, and preventative health. These are growing segments within the health and wellness industry, driven by increasing consumer awareness and demand for personalized solutions. They're using technology to create personalized experiences for their customers, like AI-powered skincare routines and virtual consultations with healthcare professionals. This integration of technology and healthcare is a game-changer, offering consumers tailored solutions that meet their specific needs. They're also expanding into high-growth markets like China and India, where there's a massive and growing middle class hungry for quality consumer health products. These markets represent significant growth opportunities for Kenvue, as they tap into the increasing demand for health and wellness products in these regions. Now let's talk about why Kenvue is undervalued. Despite their strong brand portfolio and innovative approach, their stock price doesn't seem to reflect their true potential. This discrepancy presents a unique opportunity for investors. They recently spun off from Johnson & Johnson, which created some uncertainty in the market. Investors were cautious, unsure of how Kenvue would perform as a standalone company. This initial hesitation has kept the stock price lower than it might otherwise be. Investors weren't sure how Kenvue would perform as a standalone company. However, this uncertainty is starting to dissipate as Kenvue demonstrates its ability to operate independently and successfully. But here's the thing, Kenvue is a cash-generating machine. Their established brands and essential products ensure a steady flow of revenue. This financial stability is a significant advantage, especially in uncertain economic times. They have a portfolio of incredibly strong brands, a loyal customer base, and a proven track record of innovation. This combination of factors makes Kenvue a formidable player in the consumer health market. They're also committed to returning value to shareholders through dividends and share buybacks. This commitment to shareholder value is another reason why Kenvue is an attractive investment. So, when I look at Kenvue, I see a company with a rock-solid foundation, a bright future, and a stock price that doesn't reflect its true potential. This mispricing in the market could be a golden opportunity for savvy investors. Kenvue boasts a market cap of $46.01 billion. For 2024, it posted revenue of $15.46 billion and a net income of $1.03 billion, translating to earnings per share of 53 cents and a price-to-earnings ratio of 45.22. Their dividend yield is at 3.45%. Currently trading at $23.98, the stock sits about 5.34% below its estimated fair value of $25.26, offering a potential opportunity for value-focused investors. Looking ahead, investor attention is focused on Kenvue's upcoming earnings report, scheduled for May 8, 2025, with analysts expecting the company to possibly outperform estimates. In addition, Kenvue has announced a strategic 5-year collaboration with Microsoft aimed at leveraging AI to enhance digital operations, an important step in boosting efficiency and innovation. The company is also showing strong shareholder commitment. A quarterly cash dividend of $0.205 per share has been declared, payable on May 28, 2025, signaling confidence in Kenvue's financial stability. And perhaps most notably, billionaire investor Daniel Loeb's hedge fund, Third Point, has been increasing its stake in the company, a move that suggests institutional confidence in Kenvue's strategic direction. In summary, Kenvue presents a mix of strong potential and cautious optimism. While macroeconomic conditions continue to pose challenges, the company's focus on innovation, strategic partnerships, and reliable dividend payouts could support steady growth moving forward. As investors await the Q1 earnings report, all eyes will be on whether Kenvue can continue to deliver resilience and performance in a shifting economic environment. This is a company that could generate significant returns for investors over the long term. Their focus on essential health products, combined with their innovative approach and expansion into new markets, positions them well for sustained growth. Again, I'm not a financial advisor, this isn't financial advice, and you should always do your own research before investing. It's crucial to understand the risks and rewards associated with any investment. But in my opinion, Kenvue is a compelling opportunity that deserves your attention. With their strong brand portfolio, innovative approach, and expansion into high-growth markets, they have the potential to deliver substantial returns for investors who are willing to take a closer look. There you have it, 2 undervalued stocks that could make a real difference in your portfolio. These stocks are not just random picks, they have been carefully analyzed and selected, based on their strong fundamentals and potential for significant growth. By adding these stocks to your portfolio, you could be setting yourself up for substantial long-term gains. It's all about making informed decisions and being patient with your investments. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about endurance, strategy, and staying the course even when the market gets tough. Just like a marathon runner trains and prepares for the long haul, you need to do the same with your investments. Consistent, disciplined investing over time is what leads to success. Don't get swayed by short-term market fluctuations. Keep your eyes on the long-term goals. Finding those hidden gems, the companies with solid fundamentals and huge growth potential, that's how you build long-term wealth. It's not always easy, but with the right research and analysis, you can uncover stocks that others might overlook. These hidden gems are often undervalued by the market, giving you the opportunity to buy in at a lower price and reap the rewards as the company grows. It's about being diligent and looking beyond the obvious choices. And if you're serious about taking your investing to the next level, check out my Value Stocks Investing Master Course. This course is designed to give you a comprehensive understanding of how to identify and invest in undervalued stocks. You'll learn the techniques and strategies used by professional investors to find stocks with the potential for significant returns. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced investor, this course has something for everyone. It's packed with everything you need to know to find and analyze undervalued stocks like a pro. From understanding financial statements to evaluating a company's competitive position, this course covers it all. You'll gain the skills and confidence to make informed investment decisions and build a portfolio that can withstand market volatility. If you want exclusive stock tips, in-depth analysis, real-time trade alerts, and free investing guides? Then you need to join our community. Our members get access to valuable resources that can help them stay ahead of the market. You'll receive timely updates on the latest stock picks, detailed analysis of market trends, and actionable insights that you can use to make better investment decisions. It's like having a personal financial advisor at your fingertips. Join the Stocks Galore Patreon today and take your investing game to the next level. By becoming a member, you'll be part of a community of like-minded investors who are all working towards the same goal: financial independence. Our members there get full in-depth analysis on most of these stocks I mention here. We dive deep into the financials, management team, market position, and growth prospects of each stock. Head over to patreon.com/stocksgalore and become part of our growing community of smart investors. You'll gain access to exclusive content and a wealth of knowledge that can help you achieve your financial goals. Don't miss out on this opportunity to learn from the best and take your investing to new heights. Link is in the description. Just click on it to get started. Now, I want to hear from you. Your feedback and questions are important to me. They help me understand what you're looking for and how I can better serve you. Which of these stocks are you most bullish on? Do you have any other stocks that you think are undervalued and have great potential? Let me know in the comments below. I read every comment and try to respond to as many as I can. And don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more awesome investing content. See you in the next one. Until then, happy investing and take care.